We have now come to the end of this short journey in which we retraced how the ancients inferred the shape of our world, a question that was of great significance to humans from a cosmological standpoint, from a religious or philosophical standpoint, as well as from a practical standpoint. We saw that it was reasonable and commonsensical to believe that the earth is flat, with many of the brightest minds of the time throwing their weight behind some version of the flat earth viewpoint. And it took many careful observations to bring about a change in this viewpoint. Observations of times of sunrise at different places, observations of lunar eclipses and their local times, observations of stars in the night sky from different places, observations of mountains from sailing ships, and so on. These observations seemed incompatible with a flat earth, but followed naturally from a spherical earth. Aristotle, Ptolemy, and others collected those relevant observations and left for us some simple but creative arguments to convince us that the earth is not flat but is spherical. Not all of their arguments were valid, so one can have the right convictions for reasons that may not all be correct. This is not the first time you will find this in the history of science. So we hope you enjoyed this short course, and we hope you will join us in our future courses as we continue our journey to examine the big ideas in science, mathematics, and philosophy and meet the great minds behind those ideas.